guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. The car was sitting for about 4 to 5 months at the California shop because I was just way too busy. I've been second up parts pretty much to get the car ready to get it to where I want it now. So I have a bunch of stuff I want to put on it that we can make the car way better and easier to drive. So as you can already tell from the video, we did end up putting a drag wing on it. So it has a drag wing now. It has a parachute mount, so I still get the parachute. But I also ended up getting from the same guy, I ended up picking up front and rear fiberglass bumpers. Just to try to get the weight down a little bit. So rear bumper with the holes for the parachute mount, and the front bumper that to open up for the oil cooler. So the exhaust, now I don't want to run it to the top because I want to put a hood on it. So I have to put the exhaust through here now. So I ended up bringing a bunch of piping with me so I can do all the cuts and go behind, really tucked up here behind the wheel, as well as the hood. The next step I want to do to the car is going to be the wheels that we couldn't do for the show, just because it's super hard to find 4x110 drag wheels. Also, the rear is 5x4.75, so it's just a mix. So I ended up getting this right here. So this is from Aerospace Components. So what it is, it's like it's a 5-lug conversion swap for the Rx7, like a bolt-on one. So I have to put this on, but first I have to find some spare wheels so I can mount this until I can order the wheels. Cause the wheels we're going with are gonna be Build Specialty wheels. So I have to just order them, wait for them. In the meantime, just gonna put something on the car so I can put this on it, as well as a line lock and a booster delete. So this is from T3, and this is just a Mazda 626 brake cylinder, pretty much. So all that needs to go in the car to get it ready, so I can try to push the car to 700 horsepower. It's almost there, but I just want to have the safety around it so I can actually be comfortable with the car. As well, intakes are showing up for the car, so I put in different intakes on it, and I might put an intercooler on it too. So we'll see how long we're here in Virginia and see how much work I can get done in this car to make it to where I want it to be at. back outside, car off the lift because Mike needed to use it to tune his car. But managed to get the exhaust done. Still have to do the dump tube, but hood's on. Still need to wax it, but it'll come out, I'm for sure. Engine bay to me looks way cleaner because it doesn't have the pipe sticking up. So now I might have room to put an oil catch can in that corner. But this is the best part ever. Watch. Look at that thing. Came out super sick. You see how the tip pointing a little up, so the air just goes out that way. But it's kind of tight in there. Doesn't really hit, but it's super tight. And in here it was like such a pain in the ass to do. You can see it's like it's this is 4 inch, so 4 inch down, and then around the frame and out the other side, and then this way. Super complex. I mean, I'm glad I did it because it just, to me, it just looks way nicer and sounds cooler too. But now I just gotta do the dump tube, put the car back on the dyno, and then make more power out of it. And for right now, I'm just gonna wait on the brakes because I need to find wheel steel. And because since if I take the booster out, I have to block this and I won't be able to do it right, so it might blow the cap off every time. Just gonna wait to put the elite intakes to put the booster setup on it. Finished the dump tube today, so as you can see, it literally just dumps straight out. So I add, this is still the original piece in the top. I just added a little curve to it, so that's done. I was gonna wrap it, but I got a little too lazy. I just want to put the car in the dyno, so I didn't. But you can actually see how crazy that downpipe is now. Oh. Next up is just putting the car in the dyno and start tuning it a little bit. And after that, then put the bumpers on and get ready to go to Florida this week. How do you say Florida? Florida. How do you say Florida? Florida. Going to Florida with the car so I can go race some people, hopefully be fast. But we just gotta make some power on the dyno and not say how much it makes so we can surprise everybody. session ended early. We had an issue where the lines literally just melted off. Luckily the car was already tuned for 30 pounds, so I just didn't do shit. Just like took it like a champ. You can see this thing is like unfazed at all. But even though the engine's still good and everything, these lines are gonna melt again if I just put it together again. So I'm gonna have to do something else. So for now, I really can't do anything else until I put something that takes way more heat there. But yeah, so I guess I get to go home early today.